What's going on, YouTube? I hope everybody's doing well. Happy New Year 2023. I tell you, 2022 was quite the year. A lot of changes and everything happened in 2022. I've been very blessed and just thankful to be here. But anyway, just wanted to go over the gear ratio on the 7.3 Super Duty gas trucks. I have a lot of people asking me about 430 versus 355, 373. A lot of people is concerned about fuel mileage. I do understand being concerned about fuel mileage, but this is a big engine that's gonna suck some gas, so it is what it is. But if you're choosing gear ratio for fuel mileage, just shooting straight with you, you're only gonna save 1 mile per gallon. And yeah, that does add up over time, but it really depends on what you're doing with your truck. If you're not really doing any towing and you're just using it as a commuter and maybe towing occasionally, you'll be totally fine with 355 or 373. They're both great gears, can't go wrong either way. But if you're doing a lot of towing, I would definitely go with 430 gear. It's going to give you a lot more down low, and you're only going to suffer 1 mile per gallon loss versus a 355 gear. So if you weigh your options versus the better towing capacity, 430 gear is the better option, and you're not going to lose but just 1 mile per gallon fuel mileage. I talk with a lot of people. They have 355 gears, 373 gears, and they're getting about the same around town as I do with 430 gears, and I have forced induction on my truck. But yeah, like I say, a lot of it really just depends on what you're planning on doing. If you're, and a lot of it depends on how much weight you're planning on towing. If you're just towing 5,000 or 6,000 pounds, you're fine with any of it. But not everybody, trucks are hard to get right now. So if you're special ordering a truck, I highly recommend a 430 gear just from my experience with it. But there are things you can do to improve fuel mileage and just better drivability, which is custom tuning. I highly recommend 5-star tuning for that. They have a really good reputation for tuning the 7.3 gas trucks. But I have a lot of stuff coming up, so hopefully everybody will stick around for that. We'll be doing a 25,000 mile review on my truck and just some of the things I like and do not like about it, which is very little, but stay tuned for that. I appreciate everybody watching, and I will catch you next time. Thank you.